In front of me is Asus ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. All you need to do is open your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then click on any of those styles. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to customize it though, click on the same icon and this time tap on this plus under my themes. Now click on a photo that you wish to select, like this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. And then, when your keyboard is ready, click on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them on or off. Then hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!